Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's have some phenomenal fun. Stay tuned. So for those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, in addition to the awesome crafting, the awesome tips and techniques, and the awesome daily fellowships, you are going to want to pay particular attention to the upcoming reason. But before we get to that reason, guys, isn't this spectacular? Love the angled front, the gorgeous side. It's just beautiful. And this is a full-size tissue box that holds the long rectangular tissues. And this is one of my kits for August. So here is another one that I made. And this one here is actually the one that I make in the private tutorial. And it is just absolutely stunning. I love this paper and I love how this turned out. So if you are looking for a way to make the larger tissue boxes that will hold the larger size tissues that are the rectangular boxes, this custom and exclusive tutorial is just for you. So head on over to my website, guys. The link is in the description box. If you are interested in getting the exclusive and private tutorial for this kit, this particular tutorial will not be made available to the public on my YouTube channel. This is only available as a private and exclusive tutorial kit. So if you want the custom measurements and the complete walkthrough of how to make this, head on over to my website. Guys, aren't these pretty? Y'all know that my sister has been making rosettes and poinsettias, and she made some for me to give away. But this isn't all that we're giving away. This is a portion of what we're giving away because this channel is about to hit yet another major milestone, and I want to celebrate. We are fast approaching 5 million views on this channel. That's 5 million. Hard for me to comprehend, but 5 million views in less than 2 years is phenomenal by YouTube standards. And you guys helped to make that possible. So we are going to do some awesome giveaways on the channel. My sister put together these wonderful packs of rosettes and some poinsettias, and these will be part of the giveaway. But that's not all. I then have 2 very large bottles of reptile glue that I will also be giving away. So thank you so much to Cynthia Ramsey and Reptile Glue for gifting me so much glue. I absolutely appreciate it. And 2 lucky subbies will win these 2 large bottles. I think these are 16-ounce bottles, if I'm correct. I bought these bottles and put the glue in them, but I think they are 16 ounces. And guys, this is a lot of glue. So you can craft your little hearts out with this much glue. My sweet sister went out and found these big old spatulas, and I put together some sweet little packages for the giveaway. So I have one of the cutting boards that you guys recently saw me craft with. I have one of the dry erase paddles that you saw me craft with recently, and of course the big old spatula. So I have 5 sets of this trio. So that means that when you win, you're going to win all 3 in the group. So I'll have 5 of those that I'll be giving away. And I think this alone is awesome because I know a lot of you have been looking for the big old spatula. Well, I have 5 to give away. And then I have one of these boxes that I will be giving away. And it is a box of a lot of things that you guys have observed me using or you have seen me using in my crafting. So I am going to do a walkthrough and show you what's in this box. This box I will only be able to ship within the United States because of the cost of shipping it internationally. So let's go through this box and I'll show you what's in it. So we have a tape runner that I use. I have some of the clips that you guys always see me using to clip my things together to hold them. I have one of the notepads that you've seen me using recently. I have one of the larger sticky notepads that you guys recently saw me use. I have one of the 2021 desk calendars that you saw me use in a recent craft. We have a pack of that tissue that you saw me use. I have a 3-pack set of the composition books. We have some of the sticky note flags. And then I have one of the 2021 little desktop calendars you just saw me make with the tissue box. This also contains one of the dry erase paddle boards, one of the cutting boards, and then we have some paper that you guys have seen me using recently. And I have one of the cut apart sheets that I used as embellishments on some recent projects. Saw me use this paper very recently. And I will have 2 sheets of the recipe cards in this package, and you guys saw me make that cute little recipe box. Then we have this autumn paper that I used on my project. We have this gorgeous paper, this double-sided paper that you just saw me use on a project. And there is the second sheet of those recipe cards. And then we have this beautiful page that you also saw me use on a recent project. So what I attempted to do with this particular box is just fill it to the brim with all types of goodness. And I am going to just bring everything that you're going to receive back in so that you can see just how much will be in that box. And this is all stuff that y'all see me use all of the times. And it's not like I'm throwing in a whole bunch of things that I don't want. No way. This is a box filled with things that you have seen me craft with and things you will continue to see me craft with. So I am going to go ahead and place everything back in this box and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have all of my goodies back in the box. So this whole box is one prize all by itself. So I'm going to recap everything for you and go over the eligibility process. So the first thing is you can only win once. The drawing for all of these prizes will be on the same day. So it's not going to be a daily drawing. I have 2 16-ounce bottles of reptile glue, 1 per winner. I have 5 sets of this awesome trio, 1 per winner. I have 4 individual packs of rosettes and poinsettias, 1 per winner. And then I have this awesome box just filled to the brim with wonderful things. So there was a final look at everything that I will be giving away. And I think these are some awesome giveaways. And here is what you need to do to be eligible. Participation in this giveaway is voluntary. And the giveaway begins on Monday, August 17th. And it starts with my 8 a.m. premiere. So you need to make sure that you are at least 18 years old or older. You must be a verifiable subscriber to my channel. And guys, if you don't know how to confirm whether or not you are a verifiable subscriber, please do not send me messages asking me to confirm that for you. There are plenty of YouTube videos out there that will help you figure out how to confirm that you are a verifiable subscriber. I will not be assisting with that process. Then the last two things are critical because it's not an either or. You must do both. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you leave a comment on the premiere live chat. I will be premiering during this giveaway period, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. So you need to make sure that you leave a comment in the live chat. Then once the premiere has ended, by 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you need to leave a comment in the comment section of the actual video. So if you do one and not the other, then you're not eligible. You need to do both. So when you do those things, you earn an entry into the drawing. The eligibility period starts at 8 a.m. on August 17th, 2020, and it ends at 10 a.m. on August 21st, 2020. So every day, like clockwork, at 10:01 a.m., I am going to sync up the comments left on the live chat with the comments left in the video itself. When you have done both, you are eligible to receive an entry for that day. If you do one and not the other, then you are not eligible. Just make sure that if you want to participate, you follow these eligibility rules. I will have them listed in the description box, and I will be doing the drawing for all of these prizes on Tuesday, August 25th, and the drawing will take place at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. So that will be a separate video from my normal morning premiere. So look for the winners to be announced on Tuesday, August 25th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you have followed all of the eligibility rules, then you are able to participate. Now, one caveat is for my international subscribers. Because of shipping cost, I will not be able to ship these items, and you win these items. I will be doing a $15 PayPal comp for these. I will be doing a $15 PayPal comp if you win this. I will be doing a $10 PayPal comp if you win these. And if you win this box, I will be doing a $25 PayPal comp. So hopefully that makes it pretty clear. I want everyone to have a chance to participate. Unfortunately, in some cases, it's just a little bit too expensive to ship internationally, so that's why I'm doing the PayPal comps. But guys, I hope that y'all are excited about this giveaway because there are some fabulous items being given. Fabulous new items being given. So it's just my way of saying thank you for helping me to get this channel to where it is. So guys, I hope you're pumped, I hope you're stoked, and I hope you participate. So if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe because you're going to want to be a part of this. So guys, if you're interested in that kit, head on out to my website and take advantage of the discounted price for the first 24 hours. And then after that, it's going to go to its normal price. Y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Y'all have a great day. I will be back tomorrow with another fabulous tutorial. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.